Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button below, as well as rock that notification bell so you do not miss out on the latest video. Last but not least, leave a like on the video. Come on, leave a like for your boy. We're gonna get started. I have a list of ingredients right here on the screen. And as far as the ground beef, guys, you're gonna want to use some lean ground beef for this dish. And what I'm gonna do is just slap all these ingredients into this bowl and mix them all up together till they're well combined, and then move on to the next step. Now that it's well combined, we got them all mixed up, got all those flavors talking to each other. It's time to shape these meatballs into meatballs. So you're just gonna grab a fair share and roll it all up, and then put it to the side and let it sit there till we're ready to throw them on the stove top. I have my pan here to about a medium high, little bit of olive oil in the pan, and we're gonna slap those meatballs all up in there and let them things cook till they're nice and golden brown on all the sides of the meatballs. Yes, I know my meatballs look extra crispy. I'm sorry, guys. Time got away from me. They got a little bit crispy, but it's not gonna happen to you because you're gonna watch out and you're gonna watch this thing and make sure it doesn't end up a little bit overcooked like mine did. No big deal. Still gonna be delicious. Don't even sweat it. Still gonna be good. Anyways, got them cooked. Gonna take them off the pan and move on to the next step, guys. All right, for our garlic bread, we're gonna be using Pillsbury pizza crust, the one that comes in a little can like I shown you just now. And I'm gonna slap it on the cutting board and kind of just slice the dough evenly so we can kind of have uniform amounts of dough all the way across for our meatballs to sit in. All right, guys, flour is gonna be your best friend because this dough is sticky. It's gonna be your best friend, so don't be shy. Use that flour, roll it out, and once we have it completely rolled out, we're gonna slap a good amount of mozzarella cheese right in the middle of that dough, and we're gonna fold our meatball inside. And to get this bread nice and golden brown, we have a little bit of egg wash, and we're just gonna brush this on the top of our garlic bread here. Once we're done putting that egg wash in there, we're gonna throw this in the oven. I already have my oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna leave it in there for about 20 to 25 minutes, depends on your oven. You want it to come out a nice, golden, beautiful brown, guys. And this is how it looks when it comes out the oven, nice and golden brown. And guys, what's garlic bread without the garlic butter? Super easy to make. I grabbed some butter, minced garlic, parsley, toss them in the microwave a couple seconds, mix them up, and we're just gonna brush that right on top of our bread. Once we're done doing that, we're gonna toss some Parmesan cheese. That's a little Parmesan cheese on the top, as well as toss some more parsley for presentation, and voila, you have yourself a beautiful, delicious, amazing dish that your whole family will absolutely enjoy, your whole family will absolutely love. You can't go wrong with some good old finger food. Slap a big old bowl of marinara in the top for dipping, and you in the game. That's all you need. I know you guys are gonna enjoy this. It's super easy, super delicious. Hope you guys enjoyed again. Like I said, hit the subscribe button if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like button if you haven't already. What are you waiting on? I hope to see you guys on the next video. Deuces.